How to post a job on LinkedIn. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to post a job on LinkedIn. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your linkedin.com and you will log into your account. And you will get right here. You can see this is my LinkedIn profile, and we are going to be posting a job today. It's really easy to post a job and hire the best skilled person. If you're looking for an editor, a manager, virtual assistant, we can find really good people on LinkedIn. So today I'm actually looking for a virtual assistant for our company, and I'll show you how to post a job that actually brings the best talent. First of all, what you guys need to do is you can go to the jobs section right here on your LinkedIn profile, and then you're going to click on post a free job. So this is where you will get, first of all, we have to enter a job title. So it's not video editor now. It's going to be a virtual assistant, virtual office assistant, or office assistant, just virtual assistant. So I'm going to go with this one. Then we have the company name. So this is where I will be adding the name. For example, I am hiring someone for medium. Okay, let's go with this one. Then we have the workplace type. So this is very important. On LinkedIn, we can find people for hybrid jobs and for on-site jobs and remote jobs as well. So the one I am offering is a remote job. So I'm going to select the third option. Moving on, we have to select the employee location. So you can see right here, employee location, you have to enter what you're looking for. So I am actually okay with any kind of country. So let's see if the global option is available because it's a remote job. Okay, or just we can enter a specific location. All right, so I'm going to enter United States right here. Then we have the job type. If it's a full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, other, volunteer, or internship. So this is going to be a part-time job. You can, of course, select the other options. Then you're going to click on Get Started for free. Okay, so here we are. The second step is going to be a description. So we have to enter a description for our job that we want to post. So you will enter the description for your job. I have entered virtual assistant. We are looking for someone with a data entry experience, email marketing, and a basic software development. And then we have easy hours, open communication, and sheets expert. So you will just enter whatever you're looking for. Make sure to be descriptive enough. Make sure to actually get the information out there that what you are actually looking for and what kind of job it is going to be. So for an example, I have just entered these details. Moving on, we have skills. So skills is really important and it's going to be a keyword for all of the different people working on LinkedIn, finding jobs. It's a keyword for them as well and for us to find the best match. So in the add skills section, I'm going to go ahead and add virtual assistant. There you go. Then I'm going to add some of the other skills related to my job. So I have added these skills. You will add the skills according to your job. If you're looking for an editor, if you're looking for a manager, you will add the related skills. Then we have how did you hear about LinkedIn jobs? So I'm just going to go ahead and add an online platform or search engine. It really doesn't matter. Then we're going to click on next. Then we have the last step, which is receive qualified applicants, how we will be receiving the applications. So you have to select receive applicants by email or an external website. So if you have a website for your business, for your company, you can add external website option right here and you have to enter the website address, or you can enter an email address. So I will be accepting and receiving the applications through email. So I'm just going to enter an email address right here. Once you have added the email address, then we have some of these screening questions. So if you want to add any question or any requirement for the job that you're posting, you can do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add for example, background check, education, expertise with skills. I'm going to go with this section. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a skill, and the skill is going to be data entry because this is really important for us for our job that we're giving. So I'm just going to enter data entry right here, or we can also go with marketing. All right, so we have this platform that we use. So I have entered the marketing hub, and then we want an ideal answer. So like how many years of experience you have in this field or with this skill. So I'm looking for a minimum of 2 year experience with this platform. So it totally depends on you. It kind of like complicates a little thing for the applicants, but you can add like must have the qualification, or this is just one thing that you're looking for. So I'm just going to add this, and I will not add it as the must have qualification, and I will just add it as the requirement. Moving on, we have the post job for free, and we can also get a preview. So I'm just going to click on the preview, and this is what our job looks like: a virtual assistant part-time. This is the description, easy apply, and we have save, or we have email address where my applicants will be able to apply for the job. Once you're done, click on job, post job for free, enter the email address to confirm that you're working with this company, send the code, and then you will be able to post. If you have your own company, then you can skip this step and just click on post job for free, and you can post a job on LinkedIn for free to find the best skilled person out there for your job. You can go ahead and customize your search when it comes to the applicants. You will be able to receive thousands of applications, hundreds of applications from all around the globe, or a location that you have added. Then you can narrow them down and get the best person with the help of LinkedIn. You can contact them later. You can contact them on LinkedIn as well, add them as your connection, and then get the best person for the job, and you will be able to run a successful business online. Posting a job on LinkedIn is completely free. Just create an account on LinkedIn if you do not have any. Creating an account is really easy. You can just sign in with your email address or your Google account. Once you have LinkedIn, create your own profile, add your email address as your title, and you will get your own profile. And then you can just go to the job section right here, click on post a job, and post a job for a position that is empty in your company. Once the job is posted on LinkedIn, you will be able to find the jobs right here. Just go to the my jobs section. Here you can see posted jobs. I have 2 jobs that I posted, and if you want to close the job, let's say that you found the person you were looking for. Of course, you don't want the job to be out there so that people can keep, applying for it. So what you can do is you can click on close, or click on these 3 dots, sorry, and click on manage job, or you can delete the job that you have posted as well. You will be able to see the closed jobs right here, the jobs that you have already closed. You can see this was one of the jobs that I created, a video editing job, and I closed it recently because I found the person I'm looking for. Now, this is one of the jobs that I was working on just now. You can click on 3 dots, click on manage job, and you will be able to again change some settings. You will be able to change the job description, screening question, and other things. It will also show you the applicants. We just posted this, that is why it says 0 applicants, and then we have 0 views. So if you want to check the stats for your job, then you will be able to find it right here inside your job section. Click on settings, then you will be able to do some of these settings for the jobs that you're posting, such as a good fit automation, not a fit automation, where it will kind of like get rid of the emails or applicants that are not a good fit and save you a lot of time. So it's actually a very good platform, LinkedIn, and gives you a whole hub or finding people for your jobs, and you will be able to kind of like explore and actually filter the best person out of the applicants. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.